Big Smitty cult. Big Smitty.
Big Smitty.
Big Kitty Small Doge. I'm terrible at this. Hello, I am Jasonafex and this is Kavia. We have gotten a care package of Fursuit products from Big Kitty Small Doge. Wow, that was take two, can you believe that? And that is owned by Fastine on Twitter. Fastine. And they also have Fursuit Care on Twitter as well, so we'll link that somewhere. Anyway, we got 3 little bundles. We got this, which we haven't looked at this yet. This is all brand new, no script. We're not even sponsored. We're just doing it because we feel like it.
I'll look at this one.
We have little pouches that you can place inside the head of your fursuit.
Oh yeah.
There's that. They look like this on the inside.
Place inside the head, or the body, or the feet, or the hands. That's handy.
So these are little vanilla satchels that I'm assuming soaks up your stank.
I have coconut as well.
Yeah, that is definitely vanilla smelling. So
Ooh,
you can see that these are handmade. It looks like the stitching was done
They're
by...
so cute. Look at the tiny little pillows.
You can feel the love. That's
Actually, it looks exactly like the pillows we
Go get it, Kayla. Fetch.
Ah!
Wow, we're discovering something on the whatever this is already.
Oh my, look. It's a little tiny baby version of our pillow.
You know it. If you hold that there, Kate, right there, and I do this. Hold on. Wait for it. Wait. Oh, it's the same size, Kate.
Oh my goodness. Anyway.
I don't know why that's interesting. We have this, which is the hand-picked flavoring. Well, you're not meant to eat it. Scents for the fursuits.
This is Fursuit spray.
Fursuit spray to make it not smell like your body.
So what you can do is you can like if you could give me one of them, campfire, give me that. What you do is you just hold it far away, lightly spray it on
and
the
refills.
fur.
You get extra.
Thanks for interrupting me. And then you brush it in with like whatever fursuit brush you want to use. But it's really handy for making your fursuits not smell awful.
Oh, they're not refills. They're actually different scents that we picked. So we got 2 each. Caitlin got campfire, and she has cotton candy. And I got, because I'm a boy, very sexist of me, cinnamon rolls, and, oh shit.
This is campfire.
Campfire, because I want to smell
That's the one I got.
musky and hot. No, you didn't. You got, wait, did you?
I got campfire.
Shit. Okay, we have 2 campfires, because we both like the smell of musky, hot smokiness. Okay, so that's, so that's everything, yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
so we
everything.
got 2 heads, pouches, and a bunch of spray. Okay.
4 head pouches.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sniff our current fursuits and see if they either need to be worn more to get a little bit more musky, or if they're good to go, because they haven't been cleaned. Let's find out. So let's get the spray going. Let's start you off with cotton candy, because obviously this is going to be a bit hard to use right now.
spray my eyes, spray my paw.
Well, alright. Well, the idea is it's meant to go in the paw, so why don't you take it while...
No, this is meant to go on. Yeah.
Go on?
Yes.
Okay.
Far away.
Hold on. Give me a
I'm
moment.
gonna take off the cap with you.
Technical difficulties, alright. Stick your hand out. Stick your hand out. Hold on. What, do you want me on, like, burst spray? Hold on, let's try this.
No, Jay, you're meant to put it on this.
Well, how do I get it on mist? Like that? There we go. We're on mist.
Mist is what you're meant to do.
Yeah, do you want me to mist you?
Just, no, not, like, we have to test all of them.
I mean, you are Mitsu, so I could mist you. You got a fur on your head. Alright.
They smell really nice.
I will try some on my fursuit glove.
Try a different scent.
Well, first, I have 2 gloves. 2 cents. Ooh, that's strong. Ooh, I like that. Ooh.
It smells nice.
Can you smell that, dealers? Can you smell the cotton candy? Do you want to listen to me smelling it?
It actually really smells like cotton candy.
What do you know?
It smells really good.
Now, let's try campfire, Des. Campfire. Oh, That's musky.
Ooh.
Smoky. I do like this one. This one is
I like
my
campfire.
personal favorite so far. Campfire.
Campfire is my favorite so far.
I'm gonna just uncap cinnamon rolls just to smell it.
No?
Oh, ooh, hey, Lynn, smell that.
Ooh, that's very nice.
It's
Strong.
I'm just gonna apply that to myself. It smells good. Okay, so Kate, opinions?
I like the campfire. I really like the cotton candy as well. If I had to pick a favorite, I guess I'd pick campfire since it's something different.
I was a big fan of the cinnamon roll personally, even though I didn't get to put it on my fursuit. It just smells really good, like I want to eat it. My second favorite would have to be campfire, and then cotton candy just because it's more like familiar when it comes to like scents. I think these little vanilla pouches are cool. I'm gonna definitely put that in my head when I get really damp, so I can kind of dry it up a bit faster.
I put the coconut one in my fursuit head for 1 minute. And it really made it smell like coconut. Like even just the 1 minute it was in there. So I mean, they're pretty potent, pretty strong, which is good. That's good.
So Big Kitty Small Doge, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cool stuff. Anyone else that wants to send us random shit for us to test, it's very related. We'll give it a try. No sponsorship required. We're just bored. So thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.